Hey guys, Nick from Rustic Deco Incorporated here. Today we're going to be talking about a couple of the features of our line of A-frame products. Now, I have the dining table here with me today, but these features are present across the entire line, which include coffee tables, benches, conference tables, and dining tables. The first feature we're going to look at are the locking bolts located on the back of each tee. The base will ship with these locked in. These will need to be backed out before the table can be adjusted up or down. The second feature we're going to look at are also another set of locking bolts located at the top of the tee. These are used to secure this crossbar, which will sometimes become loose during shipping. Simply retighten these to secure that bar. The last feature we're going to be looking at today is the crank wheel located on the front of the table. This is used to adjust the table up and down. Please note that the locking bolts on the back of the tee need to be backed out before the table is adjusted and then retightened before the table is used, or else this tee will be shaky. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, just give us a call at 865-357-3876 or shoot us an email at customer.care@rusticdeco.com.